Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're on our way to check out a brand new pool home listing. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, right here at 3701 Sloop Drive. This was just listed today. $490. Sits on a nice big corner lot. 12,807 square feet. They're having an open house right now, so I don't know, I might have to do a voiceover. So I'm gonna get some of this info out of the way right now. So the property line runs between these two water boxes, so you have plenty of side RV boat type parking. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, built in 1980, 1,706 square feet. Kind of a central location. Kind of has the makings of a little circular drive. You have these little concrete type gutter things, which are rare in Havasu. So this sits on the corner of Chesapeake and Sloop. You can pull it up on the map and check out where it sits. So it does back to a wash, which is nice because it gives you some separation between your back neighbors. Let's go see if we can go in and check it out. That little piece of wood needs a little bit of work. I would just take it off. Nice little courtyard. Little stucco work. All right, so we're going to be doing a voiceover on this one. The house was full of people for the open house, so they were running around, and I'm just trying to sneak in here. So anyways, you know, it's the standard open floor plan, rear kitchen, split floor plan. It's a little rough around the edges. Kitchen's decent, has tile counters. So this is the master side, the front of the house. It's a decent size. It's got those like barn door openings into the closet and the master bath. So you have to kind of go through the closet to get to the master bath. It does only have one sink. Also has a door out to the backyard pool area. So this is bedroom number 2. This is the guest bath. Definitely needs a little bit of updating. So you have bedroom number 3. So you have a 2-car garage. It's 22 feet deep with a 7-foot door. There's a little loop for your soft water. Door out to the side yard. All right, so you have a nice covered patio, a little bar top by the sink, hand beers out. So it's got a nice little built-in kitchen, tile topped, has a sink. All the wood on the house needs a little bit of scrape and paint for sure. So the backyard's fully walled. The cool deck and the concrete around the pool definitely needs a little bit of attention. That is a PebbleTech pool. It looks like it's in real good condition. It must have been done recently. So you have your pool equipment over here under the shed. Here's your side RV boat parking. Definitely needs a little bit of stucco and paint work for sure. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over there on Sloop. Again, that one was just listed for $490. If you guys have any questions about it, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. Also put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can get all the original listing pictures, current price, availability, and all that. Anyways, you guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.